Hello everyone, welcome to Zepl's how-to video series. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to assign resources to your notebook. Depending on how complex your workload may be, we can assign different types of resources to your notebook. By clicking on the Zepl icon and select resources, it will bring you to the resource page. I can see a list of my existing resource listed on the resource page already. If I want to add a new resource, I can click on the new resource button. From here, I'm going to give my resource a name. I'm going to name it backprop for backpropagation. From here, I can actually select the type of container that I want to run my notebook in. Because we're running backprop in my notebook, I'm going to select a bigger container which consists of 8 gigs of memory. Also, I'm going to decrease the idle shutdown time to 20 minutes rather than 30 minutes. For maximum concurrent running notebooks, I'm going to make it 4, and also I'm going to limit the processing time limit to 3 hours. From here, I can select the version of Elastic MapReduce that I want to use. Now I can click on Save to save the resource type, and I can see it on my list that says backprop. Going back to the Zepl webpage and creating a new notebook, now I can create a new notebook called backpropagation. And from there, I can select the type of resource type, which is the bigger container, which I have defined earlier. I can select Spark as my interpreter type and click on Submit. From here, now I can run a more complex workload with a bigger container. Thank you for joining us. See you next time.